Hey, what's up guys? So I want to make a quick video, help you with your install for a radar detector. I just got a Escort Max 360 from a family member here, so I'm going to be installing it hardwired, and it was a little tricky. I saw a few videos online, but none of them really matched what I had in my car. So let me just give you an idea here. I'm going to kind of going backwards because I've already just got the wiretap in and confirmed that it's working. So this is a 23 Model S Plaid. I believe the X is a little bit different, but pretty similar. And then, depending on which year you have, this is probably going to be pretty applicable to all the refreshed S and X vehicles for Tesla. Yeah, so this is the housing, obviously, for your camera. Goes like that. You can those red dots are not visible to my naked eye, but you can see them in the camera. Anyway, this whole housing goes up here, and I'm going to show you as I reattach it, but the place to tap it is what you're going to want to do is look right in the inside of this camera portion. You'll see here you kind of see, there's a green and a black wire. So the green is the where you're going to attach the red tap, and you need a radar detector wire tap like this, like on Amazon. The red is going to go to green, and the black is going to go to black. So if you just look in there, make sure you get it in nice and tight. You kind of have to like wedge it in on the bottom portion of the wire, and then just before you button everything up, you just want to confirm that you are getting power. Like I said, it needs to be fairly tight. I'm gonna just plug this in real quick, and we can have a look. So here we go, getting our power. Perfect. Oh, I was getting this. I'm gonna explore that. I'm not sure what's up with the laser alert currently, but we'll figure that out. I just got this GPS. Like I said, it's not new, so could be a bug or something. And we'll see when I mount it to the actual windshield. But all right. Yeah. So to button this, as far as removing this housing, I'm going to show you again backwards a little bit, but this is going to be trickier to get back in, but just so this whole unit, if you just use a trim tool, you can kind of stick in here and just kind of unbutton these clips. So these are the clips that it actually snaps onto, and you just pull straight down. In order to get the mirror itself off, you're going to just pull down. You'll see there's a U-shaped piece like this. This actually goes like that. So that goes up into where the mirror is here. And then the mirror part of it sticks out. So once you just put a trim tool under here, you pull it down, you'll pop that plastic piece off, and that'll give you access to the actual mirror. With the mirror, all you got to do is just turn it to the left, and then kind of rotate it. Turn it to the left, and you'll see it'll start to rotate out from this base. There is one wire that attaches to the mirror, which you can easily just remove by pressing in and pulling on the clip. And that's about it. Take the mirror off, and then you can get this housing off. So it's pretty straightforward. You can see in there where the mirror actually attaches to. And that's it. So yeah, just take your time. There's some other videos you could check out too if you need help removing this this housing. But I just wanted to show you because where some of the other videos that said to tap into like the red and black here, that doesn't work. So it does need to be that black and green for the hardwire. So if you're doing a radar detector or whatever other peripheral you might need some power for, go with that and you should be good. So all right, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to make some more Plaid videos, and also with my Rivian there. So I'm sure you guys check those out. We've got the Comma AI going in that one, so we're going to do a little bit of comparisons between FSD and Comma AI. And all right, thanks. Have a good day.